We haven't quite made it to Poland, but I think we found quite the place. Hello. I'm in a white shirt and it's clean still. For real though. Today is this day, and it's been quite a long time since we've done anything for you. So here's a quick recap. As some of our Instagram followers might remember, we had a little bit of an accident with the tractor in northern Italy on this date. So, these are the things that we need to do, and we have more or less 2 days to do so. Apparently the hood is now crooked too, and I didn't put it on thing for the insurance, so I think we need a new hood at some point, but we are not going to get any money for it. The universe is not on our side. Sorry, today wasn't the nicest of all days. Hello again to our little series of unfortunate events. We just found out that this battery, despite being disconnected, fully collapsed to 6.92 volts. Add that to the list. Also, so what's the verdict here? We've never used this. We don't have the right bumpers or sills or rock sliders or anything for it. And it's useless if you want to change a tire, which is the only thing we're feasibly going to do. So, we're going max tracks. The rover isn't here, and the rover isn't there either. That's because the rover went away, and I am driving something else for now. That's right. I'm taking a Toyota. I feel I have to backlash a little bit. So when we started this journey, we wanted to reach one point in particular, which is the northernmost point, drivable point of the Eurasian continent, which is the North Cape. And that is where we're heading right now, and that is why we are in northeastern Poland. And welcome back on board.